Peter Navarro, who is the senior counselor for trade and manufacturing for the U.S. President Donald Trump, has launched an attack on Elon Musk after his post on India buying Russian oil was fact-checked by the billionaire's social media platform X. Now, calling the community note on X crap, Navarro alleged that Elon Musk is allowing propaganda and reiterated his accusations of India purchasing Russian oil only to make profits. My colleague Rishabh is on the broadcast with the details. This is the trade advisor of Donald Trump, Rishabh. Peter Navarro has gone on a rant against India multiple times. Now that he was fact-checked on X, he is training his guns at Elon Musk.
The problem with Mr. Navarro is he does not want to see beyond what he believes is truth. And that is something that we have seen in a series of tweets that Mr. Navarro has done. India has very categorically called out Mr. Navarro in one of those rare, response from the official spokesperson of External Affairs Ministry to an individual comment saying that his comments are misplaced as misleading as well. Now that he has been fact-checked on X, his posts have been community checked, and community marked on the social media platform X. He's going on a rant against Elon Musk as well. Remember, whatever he is claiming, his first claim, India is fueling Russia's war. Second claim, it's not Putin's war, it's actually Modi's war. All these, claims have been fact-checked time and again by people, by social media platforms, as well as the trade pundits as well, who have very categorically shown that it's hypocrisy, that the United States continue to, buy certain fertilizers and semiconductors, raw materials and everything from Russia, while, putting a blame on India. And the way the trade between US and Russia has continued through the Ukraine crisis showcases that whatever is being, accused on India or the allegations that are being made on India is something that is uncalled for and does not require any attention.
Absolutely. And clearly you didn't get the memo with the U.S. President himself seeming to take a U-turn with ties on India. Thank you for joining us with those details, Rishabh. We'll have to leave it at that. Quick break now. We'll be right back.